So we're looking at question 9 for page 13. Kate asks, is each relation a function? Justify your answer. If the relationship is a function, that's 1, that's 2. State the independent variable and the dependent variable. So we start with the first. The amount of money taken in for a fundraiser is related to the number of raffle tickets a hockey team sells. So I have two variables, amount of money and the number of raffle tickets sold. So, which one represents? What depends on what? Does the amount of money depend on ticket sales? Or does ticket sales depend on the amount of money paid? Well, we're talking about the money taken in, not the price. So obviously, the number of tickets sold is independent. And the amount of money is dependent. And this more or less looks like the following. If I sell 0 tickets, I get $0. And for every ticket I sell, I get a certain amount. Now, is this a function? Yes, because for every ticket I sell, I should get a specific amount of money. Okay? And that's how you do question part A. Let's look at part B. The age of a student is related to their grade level. Okay, so what depends on what? According to this, if you ask a student their age, it might determine the grade level. Or if you go into a grade level, you might use it to determine the age of a student. I would say that it makes more sense for it to be grade level. Grade level is dependent on age, which is independent. And the way you would, is this a function? I don't think so. Because if I had a student that was 15, or if 15, they could be in grade 10, they could be in grade 9, they could be in grade 11. There's multiple answers. So the independent variable doesn't point to only one dependent variable. It points to potentially many. So this B is not a function. Not a function. Okay, next we're looking at question C. Part C, the time it takes Jung Yu to walk to school. Time is related to the speed. Speed. So, what's dependent? Time depends on how fast they walk. I'll get there in a shorter time if I walk faster, or Jung Yu walks faster. Dependent. And speed is independent. So how does this graph look? Something like if I walk at 0 or close to 0, it's got to decrease. So speed, time. If I walk really fast, it'll take me less time. Will it ever take me 0 time? No. So it approaches 0. Will I ever be able to walk? If I go 0 speed, it'll take me forever. infinity. So something like that. Okay, is it a function? The answer to that question is very likely yes. Because if I put a vertical line through any point, right, for any speed, there's only going to be one time. So this is a function. And that's how you would run through question 9.